Hi, it's Jason in Jason's Jungle. My garlic looks like it's starting to be ready to harvest, so I'm going to have a poke around with that for the first lot. Come on and show you. This is my Extra Early Wight, which is supposed to be ready to lift around May-June time. So it should be a nice early one. Hopefully it'll have a bit of roots. You can see it's starting to lean over and dry up. So I'm going to start lifting these up and see what they're like. So I'll lift up this one, making sure I get my fork down so I can lift up from underneath the root rather than pulling on this with all the weight. So that's the size, not massive, not small, and I can feel that there's separate cloves in there, and that will become more obvious once this is dried off a bit. But yeah, that's not too bad. So let's start lifting the rest of them. So that's 22 heads, which is a nice little harvest. And I said that was the Extra Early Wight. So that's the first of the garlic up. I've still got more garlic to come. I've got two types of soft neck, and I've got elephant garlic. So I'll be harvesting them later on, and I will see you on the next video.